Come on, Zoom.
Golf cars, golf carts, golf carts,
Golf cars.
golf cars.
You've been using the heck out of them.
Tropical Smoothie Cafe, Sunbelt Rentals, Crossland Construction Company Incorporated, Empire District, Larson
Holy
Group,
crap.
Festival
Things are
Mexican
fast.
Verizon, Bill's Electric Incorporated, Ramsey Media Works, Jake's Fireworks.
Ooh, two more are lining up. Looks like they might be Audi.
Yeah, Audi was cool looking.
Yeah. Which one? The R8? Yeah, the R8.
And also Melody and oil and equipment, and of course, and Bridget is able to handle all of your friction and by providing new lubricator sales and installation, customized maintenance plans.
Oh no, that's a GTR.
For refurbishing, and also remote monitoring and
Freaking love GTRs.
Not to mention,
Well, he hadn't opened it up yet.
Trucking, they lay the groundwork for construction.
Well, Dad, there's not enough room to open it up. Yeah.
And also for strong community compliance.
I'm serious, there's not enough room to open it up.
Located in Springfield, Missouri and Carl Junction, Missouri, their team of experienced consultants can help you effectively manage your environmental compliance and emergency response needs. And you know who we definitely have to thank for that? All of these people running around in yellow shirts. Volunteers, we would be lost without the volunteers. They kind of do the things like pick up the trash, maybe clean up the restroom. It's not
Here comes the Lambo.
But you know what? It's much needed work. We thank all of you volunteers today. Appreciate you dedicating your time and effort to this great area.
Dang, yeah, like I said, Audi R8.